Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I just got out of the shower and welcome to day 9 of my birthday series. In today's video I'm gonna be filming like a get ready with me, and I'll be answering some of your questions that you have asked on I have no idea how to pronounce it. It's like a website on anonymous website, तो उस पे y'all have asked me questions, so I'm gonna be answering that while doing my everyday get ready with me wala routine. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first question is, has it been a hard journey as a YouTuber, and how did you start? When did you think you wanted to do it, and the whole process? So I was always into these kind of things like makeup and fashion and challenges and all of that. So oh my god. So I didn't really plan on doing YouTube, but one day I was just like, why don't I do this? And it was actually in the middle of my boards when I did it, so it was quite spontaneous. And yeah, I mean, it's not been hard. I just do it for myself. I don't want anything else from it. I just do it for my own happiness, because I think these things that I love doing, I enjoy doing, I can maybe showcase it over here on a platform like YouTube, and maybe other people can see it and have a laugh or be entertained by it. So I think that's all. Yeah. The next question is, why did you start YouTube again? Because I was always into these kind of things as like a little child also. बहुत पहले से I'm into these kind of things, and I really enjoy doing it. So I did it like for fun purposes, to just showcase my things on a platform. The next question is, I am also thinking of starting YouTube. I know you aren't a very popular YouTuber yet, but I really enjoy your videos. So can you give me some tips and tricks, and also tell me what all you need for a YouTube channel? So what all you need is just a good quality phone or a camera or something like that. Just make sure you have a decent camera, which is I think all you need. If you want a tripod, then you can get a tripod, and I think that's all. Tips and tricks would be just be yourself, and don't do things that other people are doing just for the sake of putting it on your channel. Do things that you actually enjoy doing and do it for yourself. That's all. The next question is, are you planning to be a YouTuber as a part of your career? No, as I said, I just started it for fun, and I just do it for my own time pass and my own this thing. So I don't want to take YouTube as a career. No. The next question is, I'm very proud of the fact that you're doing what you love doing. Thank you. There will be many haters as you go ahead, but always remember, we love you. Don't let anything bring you down. Come what may, just keep going, because we love you. Loads of love. Thank you so much. And yeah, oh my god, I just do it for myself. I really don't care what people think about me or what people react. I mean, obviously I can take feedback nicely, but I don't really care. Again, gonna take YouTube as a career or decided something else. I actually I've taken commerce right now, so I don't know what, but yeah, not as a career. Who is your favorite football player? I don't really follow football. I mean, I used to a little bit, but I don't right now, so I'm not just gonna go ahead and say any random football player. But I do like Ronaldo. I've always liked Ronaldo, but yeah, not a big football fan. Why did you stop posting music IGTVs? The reason I stopped posting music IGTVs are because I've started posting my music videos on YouTube, because I think YouTube is a larger platform to showcase a talent like music, and you get more recognition. So yeah, I think I'm gonna post most of the music things on YouTube, but if I have rough covers or something, then I'll definitely post it on Insta. The next thing is, what kind of makeup do you do every day? I don't put on any kind of makeup every day. Like, if I'm shooting, then sometimes yes, but most of the times I don't have any makeup on. I just have moisturizer and yeah, moisturizer and lip gloss. That's it. Favorite movie? I have lots of favorite movies, but the one thing that comes in my mind is Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. It's an all-time favorite. I literally have the dialogues by heart. So yeah, why changed? The next question is for how long have you and Vidhi been friends for, and what do you think will be the future of your friendship? So Vidhi and I have been friends since 6th standard, and we had actually met before that, but we became like besties in 6th standard, and it's I think been 5.5 years. It will almost be like 6 years now, and yeah, I think we're practically family. Her entire family knows me, my entire family knows her. So yeah, I think we're gonna stay best friends forever. The next question is, which phone do I have? I have an iPhone 11, 128 GB. What school are you in now? So I just finished my 10th grade and I'm in college, like junior college, and I'm not gonna say which college I am in, so please stop asking. The next question is, how did you meet Disha and Sanjana? So for those of you who don't know, Disha and Sanjana are my online friends. I have never met them IRL, in real life, and yeah, we both do the same things. I mean, we three do the same things. We are into fashion, we're into makeup, and we're into all these kinds of things. We all make videos on Insta and stuff like that. So because of these mutual things, we got to know each other, and I actually got to know Sanjana through Disha. So yeah. Somebody has asked, how are you? I'm amazing, thank you. Somebody has asked, do you apply makeup because you're insecure of how you look without it? And the answer is no. I look great with and without makeup, and I don't need makeup to hide my flaws, and it's okay if you do, but I personally don't. And I hardly apply makeup when I'm going outside. Even when I'm at parties, I hardly apply makeup. Like, I just have a little bit of concealer or something, that's it. I just apply makeup because I am fond of art and I'm fond of these creative things. So I love experimenting on my face or just randomly. So I love trying new looks, but I hardly apply makeup when I go out. So no. What is YUP? YUP is an organization, a student-led organization which I'm a part of. So I'm a social media representative in that organization. It deals with societal issues and everything. You should definitely go and check their page out. Okay, so there is an entire this thing of people asking me which college for FYJC did you take admission in, which college for FYJC. I'm not gonna say this is, I can't literally answer this on YouTube. So if you really want to know, then please DM me personally, because I can't say a thing like that on such a huge platform. So how do you manage to be so aesthetic? By the way, I love your fashion and the way you decorate and just everything. Thank you so much. I don't think I am aesthetic thoda sa bhi. I just try to research, and I think you're saying for the room thing, because I've tried to do my room in a very aesthetic way. So yeah, just Pinterest. The next question is, what do you want to do in life? I just want to be successful in life and do what I love doing. That's all. Your age? I'm turning 16 in a few days, because you're seeing this on my birthday series. So I'm 15 right now, I'll turn 16 in a few days. The next question is, brows or lashes? Earlier I think I would say brows, because I used to do my eyebrows like a freak, like a crazy person everywhere. Even when I got up, I'd take a bath. Even if I'm at home, I'll just do my brows like a crazy person. But now I don't even touch my brows. I don't do my brows at all. So yeah, now I would say lashes. What is your biggest inspiration that keeps you going? So I don't know, like an inspiration, but something that keeps me going is that I tell myself that my choices, the things that I love, are very expensive things, are high standard things, and this is what I love. And to be able to get that on my own and be independent, I really have to work hard and have to get a position of my own in my life. I have to be on my own feet. So this is something that I keep telling myself, that the things that you want, you're only gonna get if you work hard, because nobody else is gonna come and give it to you. So yeah. What is your favorite makeup drugstore brand? I think Maybelline is, I think, everybody's favorite. I would have said Lakme, but Lakme does not have itna variety in things, so Maybelline. I think I'm done with my makeup. I just have to put on lip gloss. So I use the Maybelline ka Baby Lips. This thing, the cover is off. Okay, so the next question is your top 5 English singers and your favorite song by each. I actually written this down. Wait. Okay, so my top 5 favorite singers. I don't know about 5. I have actually many, so I'm gonna say all. The first one is Billie Eilish, obviously. The next one is Justin Bieber. Then we have Nav, The Weeknd, Eminem, Rihanna, Ed Sheeran, Travis Scott, Dua Lipa, and Selena Gomez. So these are my favorite singers. I'm sure there are many more, but I think these are the top singers. And oh yes, we also have Harry Styles and Zayn. How can I forget them? So Harry Styles and Zayn are my on the top. So yep. I don't know about songs. I think all of them have amazing songs, and I love multiple songs by each of them, so I can't really choose like a top song. But yeah, these are my tops. And then my top 5 fashion icons and fashion inspirations will be Audrey Hepburn, Rachel Green, Blair Waldorf, Grace Kelly, and Anushka Sharma. I love these people. They're very aesthetic, very neutral, but subtle and bold at the same time. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, so I think I'm done with my everyday makeup, my get ready with me, and I've answered most of your questions. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos. And also, this is like something really new that I've done, like a get ready with me. I was dying to do it since a lot of time because I personally enjoy watching these videos. So if you want more videos like these, then do let me know, and I'll see you.